Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's have a look at yesterday's daily challenge problem. Problem 3160. Find the number of distinct colors among the balls. The problem logic actually is rather straightforward, but here in this video we are going to explain how to use two dictionaries to solve this problem. Let's quickly look at the requirement of this problem. So we are given a integer called limit and then 2D array called queries. So there are limit plus 1 balls, right? If from this one you can see we are using 0 indexing. So initially all the balls are uncolored, and every query in queries that is a form of xy. So x means the ball x, and y means the color. After each query, you need to find the number of distinct colors among all the balls. So we want to return a result array of length n, where result I denotes the number of distinct colors of the S array. So here are, I guess, two examples. You can analyze 1 and 2. So if you look at the constraints, for example, this is the maximum number of index, and this is the query length, right? So these three are some consistency assumptions. So with that said, let's look at the problem, look at the coding. So here I'm going to use two dictionaries to solve the problem. So you can also look at problem 2349, in which we also used two dictionaries, but I need to also introduce some heap behavior for problem 2349. So really, in some sense, solving a problem is like designing the solution to the problem. By design, I mean you need to use data structures or tricks according to the specific problem. So now let's look at the coding for this problem. So I'm going to go over the logic when I do the coding. So first, I'm going to get the ball colors. So basically, I'm going to use a dictionary. So I'm going to use default dict. So originally, I'm going to map everything to be 0. So this basically, I want to store the index and the corresponding color of the ball. So another one is color of balls. So basically, also a dictionary, default dict. But I'm going to use a set. So here, what I mean is that so we're given a color, so we want to see the indices. So here, let's see, the indices of balls with the given color. So because we want to return the number of distinct colors in the process, in other words, dynamically. So also I need to introduce n colors. So originally it's 0, right? So that's our prerequisite preparation. So now let's initialize a result variable. So this will be a list. I'm going to use append operation, or you can initially initialize a result array with length n, right? But that's just a small detail. So now let's go over this for ball and the color in queries. So first we need to get the original color, right? So it equals ball colors. So we want to get the ball. Actually, you can directly list, or you can directly use ball, because originally map everything to be 0. But this will be very safe. So overall, the logic, we need to do some countings. Here. And overall, after this query, what we should do, we should change the colors of the current ball to be the color, right? And also we need to do this color balls. So we want to add this color, right? Because it has one more ball, right? So we're going to do add ball. And then after this counting, so we're going to do result append the different colors. So that's what we want to do. We want to return this one. So here the key logic is here. So we want to do some counting. So first, if original color is 0, meaning that the ball at the current index is not colored originally. Now we give a new color, this color. So this way, what we do, if not color balls at this color, meaning that this is the first ball with the color given. So in this case, the distinct colors will be incremented by 1. So this is one case. In other case, it means that the ball at this index is originally colored a different color. Now we change color to the current color. So in this case, what we do? So color balls. So at the original color, so we need to remove the ball, right? Because the color changed. It's possible that the original color and the color is the same, but our code in the else block will cover this case. So first, if not color balls original color, which means only the original this ball here has the original color. So in this case, if this is null, so we need to decrement the different colors by 1, right? Otherwise, so we don't need to decrement the color. So that's just do nothing. Another thing we need to check is that if not colors, color balls as current color. In other words, so the ball here is again the first ball with the color here. So in this case, we need to do n colors incremented by 1. But overall, we always need to do this after this counting. We need to set the ball at to be the color, and this color balls at this color should be at this ball, and then we print the result. So overall, the core logic is here. So here, the introduction of this n colors variable avoids that we need to each time we need to count the length of the ball color or balls, right? So that's actually a point to be noticed. Let's look at the running, right? Yeah, it passes the 2 test cases. Now let's look at the generic case. Yeah, it passes all the cases. I guess that's basically about it for the current video. You are encouraged to look at the video for problem 2349, in which we also used 2 dictionaries. Yeah. With that said, I guess that's it for the current video. Thank you.